All right, we got a few fifth wheels, but look at this. Salem Hemisphere 369 mid bunk. Look at this. This is what I like about this. Pre-wired for solar. You got an inverter. Look at that. Heated and cooled underbelly. Outdoor kitchen. 4-season package. Ooh. Yes. Salem Hemisphere for the win every time. Look how nice this is. Look at these recliners. Everyone says these are the softest recliners ever. You got a sofa sleeper, fireplace, pantry, island kitchen, lots of storage, 2 ACs. But look at this, a nice wide bunk room. This is big. Upstairs, nice bathroom. But look at this. Ooh, yes. Oh, it's so cold. You gotta love it.